I love the Nutritarian diet. One, the name, but then the principle of it. For those who aren't familiar with the premise of Nutritarian, how does it compare to the other diets that a lot of us are familiar with?
Well, I think it's a good term because it's more specific. So it's like a type of a plant-based diet. And even whole food plant-based doesn't, is too vague. It can mean a million different things. Like, for example, it could be like mostly based on rice, or you don't mean you're eating vegetables or onions. It doesn't tell you what you're eating. And the word nutritarian means, number one, it's designed to be nutritionally rich and nutritionally comprehensive, with a wide diversity of foods included, and highlighting foods that we know from scientific studies have documented longevity benefits and anti-cancer benefits. That's where the G-BOMBS acronym comes in. We're not eating only G-BOMBS, but we're trying to be conscious of regularly consuming green vegetables, both raw and cooked, to be eating, G, that's the G, and then B is beans. There's probably not one food that correlates best with longevity in every study around the world, which is legume and bean consumption. And then, so eating beans is a regular source, which is rich in protein and, which is protein and the slowest glycemic carbohydrates are found in beans. In other words, they don't spike your glucose. They're absorbed very slowly. Beans have the most slowly digestible starches, the most resistant starches, and the most fiber of any other plant food, right? And so they give you, and rich in polyphenols and anti-cancer materials. So they're just like a superfood. So greens, beans, onions, and scallions, and documented with hundreds of studies to extend human lifespan. Mushrooms, GOGBOMBS. The B is berries, like, which includes, blackberries and wild blueberries and raspberries and whatever, pomegranates and goji berries, any berries, and seeds, meaning flax seeds, chia seeds, sesame seeds, hemp seeds. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and sesame seeds are the richest sources of lignans in the diet, and lignans have powerful protective anti-cancer effects. So the term nutritarian, getting back to the question, what does nutritarian mean? It means we're designing a diet that's plant strong, or plant, or vegan, or near or close to being totally vegan. Plant-based could mean, so that's the other thing, plant-based, what does that mean? How much, because the American diet is 70% plants already. Most of it's processed foods, but it's still 70% plant. Is that plant-based? And in the scientific literature, plant-based has no specific meaning. It doesn't mean that it's vegan. As a matter of fact, they're calling Mediterranean diets, so they're using 20% of animal product consumption plant-based. So is it 10%? Is it 20%, 25%, or is it 5% or less? So, so it's really a little bit vague. So the word nutritarian means really healthy foods, getting a variety of plant foods, eating lots of green vegetables, including both raw and cooked, salads and cooked vegetables, both, and having all those food, having a variety of food, of good healthy food in your diet, and paying attention to your caloric window so you're not overweight. Because I'm saying here that this concept that, if you're eating plant foods, you can eat as much as you want. Well, for some people, eating as much food as they want means they overeat, and they're stuffing this because they think that which obviously overeating and not getting enough sleep and over exercising and others, you could do things. So we're paying attention to certain parameters that have been documented to extend human lifespan and protect against later life disease, like cancers, like strokes, like Parkinson's, like dementia, and trying to be, proactive, doing the right things earlier in life so you can have maximum benefits later in life. So it's just a more carefully designed, you could say, whole food plant-based diet. And I thought nutritarian is a great term so people could say, I'm not just a vegetarian, I'm a nutritarian. I'm eating a lot of healthy food.